everybody, welcome back. It's Tasha here. I am here with my June SlayGlam unboxing and I'm super excited. So hang out, we'll jump into that in just a second. Welcome back to those of you who are returning. If you're new here, my name is Tasha and on my channel I do makeup unboxings, I do makeup try-ons, reviews, anything related to makeup. So if that sounds like something interesting to you, please consider hitting the subscribe button. And without any more talk, I'm going to go ahead and jump into my June SlayGlam. So June SlayGlam came in, of course, the cute little bag from SlayGlam. It has the handles for all of their social media and little handles to carry it by, but it is just kind of a cardboard box. There was no card that came inside, and I knew that because they posted on their Instagram. Oh, sorry, choke. Oh my goodness. That there wasn't going to be a card for June, and they posted the retail value so you didn't have to look it up. So we'll refer to those as we're going through. SlayGlam is 5 products that you get, and I believe, depending on your amount of your subscription, it's around $25 a month. Certainly if you do it for a longer subscription period, again, you get the discount like with other brands. It does tend to be, not 10, but it is more of an indie brand. Products that you're going to get in the bag, not as many or not really mainstream so much. So let's go ahead and jump right into the box, and we're going to jump into the first thing. It is a brush by Cella, and so Cella is a brand that I've heard of before. This brush is synthetic. Wow, I struggled with that. It's a synthetic face blending brush to blend out Cella highlighters in specific. Other than that, there's not much else that is on the box here. Here is the brush. It is just a short blending brush. It has almost like different length bristles. I know it's hard to see because they're all white tipped, but they're kind of a little, or they feel like they're a little staggered. They're not super densely packed in there, and then it has this pretty kind of pinky red handle with the Cella logo right there. It is pretty soft on the hand, but since it's used specifically for their highlighter, I am interested to see how it will do highlighter if you use a different brand. So first product there is the Cella brush, and the retail value for this is $20. Next thing that we have is an Appeal Gel Liner in the color Exposed, and that's the color right there. It does seem like a beautiful color. It is not a wooden pencil, it is a plastic pencil. It's not a twist up, it's actually one that you're going to have to sharpen, just like the cab that we got in the BoxyCharm, but it is plastic in nature, not wood. Let's go ahead and swatch it right there. And that is a beautiful kind of dusty rose color. I do really like that. The color feels very smooth and light, so I'll be interested to try that. That's nice. I like that a whole lot. The retail value for this is $21. That's kind of expensive for that product there. The next thing is a palette by it's a Vacay palette by Prolux. Sorry, I'm looking down and reading at the same time. It is cruelty free, which I do like, and it is a kind of a big palette. So you have the mirror up here, a set of eyeshadows, and then a set of like highlighter, bronzy-ish tones. They have it taped pretty good. It's like a plastic full-on sleeve that fits on there. We'll open up the eyeshadows. The eyeshadows are beautiful. We'll see how they swatch here. I'm going to do Paradise. They feel nice and smooth, and I'm going to go ahead and swatch Paradise right here on my arm. Oh, that's not a lot of color payoff there, is it? They feel nice and smooth. It is very, very light. Let's do Sailing. That's a matte that's in this palette, and that is a beautiful matte, and so that is much more vibrant, nice and smooth. So it'll be interesting to see what those are like. And then they have the highlighters, kind of bronzier ish. I don't know about that tone, but we'll definitely try these when we do our try on. The Vacay palette by Pro Luxe is $13.99. So for all the things that you get in here, as well as the small little mirror, that is a pretty good price as long as the product is good. So it'll be interesting to try that. So 3 down. The next thing that we received is an Illuminati lip gloss. And so it has this crown reminiscent, or reminds me of, I know it is not, it's not exactly, but reminds me of kind of the Jeffree Star concealer-ish. Bottle shaped is kind of a carrot. This end is textured, but this is smooth through here. It has Illuminati on there, but it's all written in gold, so it's hard to see against the colored lip gloss. And let's go ahead and do a swatch of that lip gloss right next to here. And so you can see it's kind of like a peachy gold color, but it is beautiful. I'll be interested to see how that, how sticky it is. It does feel a little sticky on the hand when I go to touch it, but that's hard to assess what it's like when it's on your hand versus on your lip. So that'll be interesting. The one thing that I am not a big fan of, I do think the packaging is super cool. I think it is unique. I think this kind of a container is unique. But when they're, and that's a pretty good point right there, when they're shaped like this, I do find them a little harder to store because they're not going to stand upright because of that tip. But that is such a small complaint. Overall, that is not bad at all. And that is a pretty color. It would be a very nice lip topper. The value of that is $21. And then the last thing that we received in here is a Luxe Lash Serum. And so it says made by Mana Kadar from Paris, France. Rich lashes are in, and now you can achieve your best lash with Mana Kadar's Luxe Lash Serum. Formulated with proprietary blend of protein and peptides, this jewel of a serum conditions and strengthens lashes, which may lead to fuller, longer, healthier looking lashes. Apply 1 to 2 times a day to clean, dry lashes. Allow serum to dry completely before applying additional products. Interesting. Okay, so that's the packaging on that. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what it looks like. I find it interesting that they say it may lead to, not that it does. It's more of a strengthening serum than it is a lengthening serum, is what it sounds like. There is a cool little crystal in the top of that. Again, nice packaging. It feels very nice. It doesn't feel like cheapy plastic on there. Let's go ahead and open it up. And it is a mascara bristle brush, and it is absolutely clear. I wasn't sure if it was going to be colored or not. It does smell like something. I'm not sure what that smells like. It doesn't smell bad, not at all. And I do like on this lid, when you twist it, it kind of clicks in place so that you know you have it all the way sealed up so that you don't leave it open and it doesn't dry out. So that's interesting, and that lash serum is $29 retail value. So that's kind of the box for June. Remember, with SlayGlam, we didn't get a May box at all. They skipped May completely because they were so off with shipping and with times, and they shipped June. And even with skipping May, June is still almost end of June when I received it. Overall, I did a 3-month subscription for SlayGlam. So I got March, I got April, we skipped May, I received June. I do think overall some of the items that I've received were really, really good. The eyeshadow palettes are some of my favorites. There is a blush and a bronzer palette that I really, really enjoy. I tend to not like the lip products that have been included in that, but that's because I'm super picky with my lip products, so don't judge by that at all. My lips are super dry. I'm just weird about it, I know. I do think it is overall a good subscription. The box value is $104.99 for this box. They tend to range between like $90 and $100 and some. I believe they claim that it should be over 100 for the box. I found once or twice it wasn't. They are much lesser known brands, and I do like that because then you get to know brands that may be lesser known or that you don't find at Ulta, or you can't go out and pick them up as easy. I do like that. Kind of helps you look at other brands versus saying so mainstream, which I do really appreciate. I am not sure if I'm going to extend my subscription. What do you all think? Is it worth it? Do you guys think I should continue? Are you interested in seeing this unboxing? Let me know in the comments down below what you think, if I should do it for another 3 months and see what happens. Where are you guys all at? What are you thinking? I would love the feedback if you could give me some feedback down below. And with that, that's the end of the box. So thank you all so much for joining me. I really loved having you here. I will do a glossy box update and an unboxing on Tuesday. So tomorrow I'll have that uploaded. Some interesting things with the customer service that I want to share with y'all. And please stay safe, stay healthy, and I hope y'all take care of each other. I will see you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.